Here are 5 ways to lose your green card and permanent resident status in the United States. Number 5 is the trickiest, so wait for it. Number 1, living outside the United States for too long. If you're a green card holder who decides to live outside the United States for more than a year, an Officer of Customs and Border Protection, or CBP, can trigger processes to revoke your green card and deport you. This can happen after shorter absences from the U.S. as well, especially those that exceed 6 months. Fortunately, there's a simple solution. If you know you're going to be out of the country for an extended period of time, apply for a re-entry permit before departure. It's valid for 2 years. Number 2, voluntarily surrendering your green card. If you don't want to pay U.S. taxes or just don't want to be a permanent resident anymore, you can file a Form I-407 to voluntarily surrender your green card. But don't be pressured or tricked by a CBP officer into doing that if you don't want to. Insist on speaking with an immigration attorney and a hearing in front of a U.S. immigration judge where you'll at least have the opportunity to fight for your green card and permanent resident status. Number 3, being convicted of a crime. If you're caught selling or using drugs or committing some sort of felony, you can lose your green card and be deported. No surprise there. Number 4, committing fraud. Fraud or willful misrepresentation can lead to loss of your green card and deportation too. Fraud comes in many forms, such as marriage fraud, lying about your intent when applying for a non-immigrant visa, or perhaps worst of all, posing as a U.S. citizen in order to cast a fraudulent vote in a U.S. election. Don't do that. And number 5, failing to remove conditions on permanent residence. If your green card is conditional and valid for only 2 years, such as if your green card was based on a marriage that was less than 2 years old when you got it, you can lose it and be deported if you don't file a petition to remove those conditions during the 90-day period immediately before your conditional residence expires. If you lose your green card in this way, you can start over by petitioning for a new one, but no one really wants to do that. So don't forget to remove those conditions to permanent residence in a timely manner. This is Joseph Bovino, U.S. Immigration and Business Attorney. Use the link in my bio to schedule a video consultation if you're interested in petitioning for a green card. Let me know what you think in the comments below and follow for more.